You could make $420 in only 5 minutes, get paid right away, and receive cash instead of gift cards. Continue reading to learn more. We have never talked about this brand new way to make money online, and I strongly doubt you have ever seen it on YouTube. You can use this wherever you are as long as you have a computer, laptop, or smartphone device. I'll offer you a couple incentives if you watch the entire movie, allowing you to double or triple your earnings.
But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them.
The first step is to go to this website, which I'll tell you the name of later. This will be the platform you use most frequently and the one that will consistently pay you above $420. Utilizing this tool makes managing social media easier. This program will take care of managing all of your accounts across all of the different social networking networks. It makes it incredibly simple for you to manage many social media accounts. You won't need to establish your social media sites or acquire many followers. And you don't need any social media accounts for this, so don't worry. Keep an eye on this new method of making money online. The URL for this website is crowdfireapp.com. With Crowdfire support, you may post your material, plan it all out in advance, and do much more. This allows you to control all of your social media accounts from one location. You may even try it out for free if you'd like. You can test out a range of free features for a limited time after signing up for free. You don't have to use it or pay for it because it isn't what we are interested in. Visit crowdfireapp.com to find out more about this website that can help you increase your income. By scrolling down to the bottom of the website and clicking on Affiliate Referral, you can see that they offer a unique affiliate scheme that enables you to refer individuals and earn up to $420 for each new customers you refer to this platform. I'm about to reveal a really unique traffic source that has nothing to do with Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, but will help you finish the assignment in under 5 minutes. You are not compelled to follow anyone on social media or to post anything on such platforms. It's a distinctive traffic source. As you can see, this platform offers unlimited income potential and straightforward tracking and reporting. How does it function? After signing up for your referral account, getting your referral link, and spreading it using the technique I'll go over in this video, you can receive your rewards. All there is to it is that you make $35 each month for the first year. If a user keeps using crowdfire.com, you might potentially get as much as $420 from just that one user. I'll show you a unique traffic strategy that enables you to draw in tens of thousands of clients who will buy this tool. Click Join Now to proceed to the following page, where you must fill out the referral program registration form by either signing in with your Google account or just entering your email address. You must click Continue after providing some basic information about yourself. When you scroll down and choose Copy, you will be able to access your account and get your affiliate link. After getting your affiliate link, proceed to our traffic source as the following step. The fourth action is to go to Fiverr.com. Don't worry, you won't need to promote your gigs or sell anything on Fiverr, even if all of these people are making a ton of money by managing other people's social media accounts. They are probably doing so alone, which requires a lot of their time and energy. If you click on the search bar and type in social media management, there are already over 100,000 services that you can choose from. They must manage all of those accounts, organize all of those postings, perform daily post-production, and steadily attract followers each day and every day. Their capacity to generate additional income is constrained because they can only manage a small number of them manually and must expend a great deal of time and effort on them. However, if they had a tool that handled everything for them, they wouldn't be limited and could make much more money with a lot less work. You can see how much money these individuals are making from it. One person, for instance, bills $225 for managing social media accounts. You'll see that they have over 800 reviews when you open their gig. This suggests that they made a lot more sales than 800 because not every consumer who uses the program provides feedback. She would still have made close to $200,000 from only providing social media management services, even if she had only received 1,000 orders and filled them all at the base rate of $225. You can see that they are charging $465 for 3 social media accounts upkeep for a period of 21 days by visiting their premium plan page. Returning to Crowdfire membership, you can see that for just $37 a month, you can join up to 10 social network accounts using this tool, which take care of everything for you. You may schedule posts and link up to 10 accounts. As you can see, she is asking $465 for 3 accounts, even though she could generate far more income by sticking to Crowdfire's $37 plan alone. She will find it much easier because she only needs to pay $37 a month for this instrument to take care of everything. She can link up to 10 social media accounts, which will triple her monthly income, and she will benefit greatly from doing this. Due to the fact that they will profit greatly from this, they won't need to work alone every day. They will work a great deal fewer hours, but will make a great deal more money, which is really beneficial for them. Do not fear. You will not be required to sell this service on Fiverr or in any other manner. Rather, you will be aiding people who are providing the social media management service on this website. You may help them work much less and get much more money by granting them access to the Crowdfire app tool. You will also earn referral commissions from Crowdfire. But be careful, if you simply start spamming this section with your affiliate link, Fiverr will deactivate your account. You will be blacklisted if all you do is try to contact the seller, push this tool, or simply keep using the same script. Avoid doing that since Fiverr will discover you are spamming and permanently ban you from the site. Additionally, you can provide them with your affiliate link so they can buy something. For instance, if I wanted to introduce this merchant to Crowdfire, I would go to their contact information. By selecting Contact Seller, you can then leave them a message. For instance, you might say, "Hey, I'm interested in your server services. I noticed that you manage social media, and I really enjoy what you do. Could you please send me a list of some of your social media accounts before I place my order?" So, I may observe how it operates and the efficacy of your social media contingents. You only have the appearance of a customer who is naturally interested in knowing what they are purchasing. That will satisfy both this person and Fiverr, in addition to being acceptable to this person. Usually, they'll give you links to few of their social media profiles. They will send you Instagram, for instance. Write them a message in their DMs by doing there. Before giving them your affiliate link, establish a conversation with them about the Crowdfire technology. There are several ways to accomplish this. The main thing is to lure individuals away from Fiverr so you can share your affiliate links with them. You may provide them the tool they need, and if they use it to grow their business moving forward, you will be compensated $420 for each referral you make. Here's another strategy for removing merchants from Fiverr. Say, "Hey, you can contact me so we can connect more easily," and then give them a few of your social media handles, or just let them know that you're looking to work with them on a long-term project and would want to hire their services. To start a dialogue that seems natural, you could follow them on some of their social media profiles if they could provide links to such accounts. Once you remove them from Fiverr, you can share Crowdfire data. You may start by outlining all the benefits Crowdfire can offer them. After describing the plans and how they can benefit their business, just leave them with your affiliate link so that they can visit crowdfireapp.com. They can find out more information about it and buy some of the plans that provide you a recurring 35% commission. As you can see, there are over 100,000 sellers on Fiverr who offers this service. So even if you are only able to get 100 of them to subscribe to Crowdfire on a monthly basis, you will still make over $420 per client each month. In addition, you can use websites like guru.com, peopleperhour.com, and truelancer.com that sell social media management services to double or triple your earnings. As more vendors offer the service, you can increase your revenue by utilizing all of these websites. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.